My country people, my world people, my fam people, welcome to this channel. We don't see as things they go so. Now we don't see Adeleke Davido. We don't see as Davido go in uncle inauguration for Osun State. We don't see as everything be. We don't see as everything done they happen for us. So we don't see say Davido don't carry go with life. You know say anything will happen to mankind then as so God know, both good, both bad. But we pray so anything we won't injure our hearts, we won't give us sorrow, we won't give us pain, make it not happen past the one we feel and do. Thank God say these people don't they okay in this don't say as Davido and CHIOMA as then they smile for picture during inauguration for their uncle in Osun State. As many people bad belly, I don't know how now they sleep. And I don't think everything happen CHIOMA and Davido, they not go come alive again. They don't come live and direct to. Some people even they thought say Davido day online. But he no post, he no do anything on top saying delete every post we no post before. But you see say we thank God, bad belly people. CHIOMA self we they thought say he no go come online. You don't see our pregnant CHIOMA. We don't see and we don't confirm and say CHIOMA ain't done pregnant again. As we see I'm so we know say God will they do something, get a reason, get time. All these things really happen to us. We thank God for their life. Congratulations. This one a big matter where they trend for online like this. Congratulations to our own dearly Davido. CHIOMA, we greet you. Congratulations. Now you feel condemn husband and wife. Thank God say everything don't clear. Things wey don't happen now, only God know. Now if you call Davido, CHIOMA, if you call them husband and wife, as you see two of them as the display ring wey they use and do their wedding during Davido's uncle inauguration yesterday, as they take pictures together. Now there both of them show off their ring, say they be official husband and wife. Now bad belly don't see say as bad thing they happen, as so good thing they happen. God knows the reason why things they happen these days, say, and because these things where they happen, say it don't happen. Say as Davido arrived for his uncle inauguration yesterday, now so him father ask and say, Ogbeni wa Davido, where CHIOMA, where that fine girl, where that handsome girl, where that responsible girl. You don't see say na so life be. It dey good make person get good character, because now that good character they carry person go where person no fit expect. Say congratulations to Davido and CHIOMA as we they congratulate them on top. Say they don't become official husband and wife. Now from here, Davido don't show off. They don't say since in matter don't happen. In fact, matter means so, mean great so. Rest in peace. As if a matter happen, so everywhere just close like that. Show where Davido supposed to go in or go. Everything where they do, everything just scatter. But we thank God say as things they happen, God understand and He let human being make it let us experience good things for our life. We congratulate them with Davido and CHIOMA. As I say, life goes on. When something happen. Even yesterday when Davido did in uncle inauguration, don't say us Bobo just the happy, because people don't expect to make Davido our smiling, our happy artist. Make it come online back, man, they make people laugh. Say people don't miss the way Davido they laugh, the way they sing, the way they cash cruise. That guy, God know as things they happen for this life. God know for good people. Things the good happen for them, but bad people this life they know the great take. Even to die, say bad people know the great die. But say as things they happen, as good they happen, as bad things they happen. Now only God knows. So God knows. And as the matter don't reach now, we don't know say as Davido and CHIOMA don't become official husband and wife. Waiting next na pregnancy. People don't they carry them, bloggers don't they carry them. Say blessed CHIOMA don't get pregnant. As you say also CHIOMA pregnant. Well, anyhow, we gonna know as things they go. Say maybe she get pregnant, maybe she no get pregnant. But we hope say in get pregnant too, because waiting don't happen. Now life goes on next. So if CHIOMA get pregnant, e be like say no concern anybody, e no concern bad belle people. We know say as this life dey so, if person dey alright, person dey good, person no dey do bad, person dey cheerful like Davido, we know say bad belle people go dey im back. And as you see so, e be like say CHIOMA e get good aura, because Davido papa no time wey no dey ask wey CHIOMA, because so if she no get good character, how e go dey ask for CHIOMA every time? That is say family Davido, Davido, they like CHIOMA, they like am well. Thank God as bad belle people think say things no go well for these two lovely belts. We thank God say they don't dey okay, they don't dey alright. Say we thank God, we thank God, because say as God dey do your own thing, nobody feel expect am. And bad belle people, we don't see say in our eyes don't calm down like this as they don't become official Mr. and Mrs. Adeleke. Davido, we greet you, congratulations, and all we lovers of Davido, we greet us congratulations too. Bad things we don't happen, no go happen for our house. For our house, it no go happen too. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on notification bell. Make you stay standard gidigba for next updates. Thank you. To our own dearly Davido, CHIOMA, we greet you, congratulations. Now you feel condemn husband and wife. Thank God say everything don't clear. Things wey don't happen now, only God know. Now if you call Davido, CHIOMA, if you call them husband and wife, as you see two of them as they display ring wey they use and do their wedding during Davido's uncle inauguration yesterday, as they take pictures together. Now there both of them show off their ring, say they be official husband and wife. Now bad belle don't see say as bad thing they happen, and so good thing they happen. God knows the reason why things they happen these days. Say, and because these things wey dey happen, say it don't happen. Say as Davido arrive for his uncle inauguration yesterday, now so him father ask and say, Ogbeni wa Davido, where CHIOMA, where that fine girl, where that handsome girl, where that responsible girl? You don't see say na so life be. It dey good make person get good character, because now that good character they carry person go where person no fit expect. Say congratulations to Davido and CHIOMA, as we dey congratulate them on top. Say they don't become official husband and wife. Now from here, Davido don dey show off. You know say since in matter don't happen, in fine matter means so, mean great so. Rest in peace. Say as if a matter happen, now so everywhere just close like that. Say show where the video supposed to go in or go, everything where they do, everything just scatter. But we thank God say as things they happen, God understand and he let human being make it let us experience good things for our life. We congratulate them, Davido and CHIOMA. As you see, say life goes on. When something happen. Even yesterday when Davido did in uncle inauguration, don't see us Bobo just dey happy, because people don't expect to make Davido our smiling, our happy artist, make it come online back, man. They make people laugh. Say people don't miss the way Davido they laugh, the way they sing, the way they cash cruise. That guy, God know as things they happen for this life. God know for good people. Things no they good happen for them, but bad people this life they know the great take even to die. Say bad people know the great die, but say as things they happen, as good they happen, as bad things they happen. Now only God knows. So God knows. And as the matter don't reach now, we don't know say as Davido and CHIOMA don't become official husband and wife. Waiting next na pregnancy. People don't they carry bloggers don't they carry say blessed CHIOMA don't get pregnant. As you see.